talking about academics, we've spent here for almost a year. So my daughter, she has been with Cambridge curriculum since she was 2. But I could say that academically, she had challenges this year because your level of academics is really high. And when we talk to a teacher, she says because she has to be at the level of British Ardingly.
Yeah. So there's something that I don't think many parents understand. The Cambridge curriculum was originally designed to allow international pupils to access the English national curriculum, and they are very, very similar. But for a long time, Cambridge didn't have the same standards as the English national curriculum. We are the partner school of Ardingly College in the UK, so we follow the same academic expectations as Ardingly UK. Now, for some children, that has been a real shock, and some of them are doing it, and there's a few that aren't quite there, but all of them are so bright and so capable and want to learn that they're all working really, really hard towards that. And we're quite very happy. More of the children we would expect in the first year are meeting those British levels, those national levels from the UK, because we took in a lot of children with low levels of English. Your daughter wasn't one of them. But even with low levels of English, our teaching, our learning, the drive of our children, the fact that they love being here and being together has raised the standards, and we're very happy that the majority of our children are already meeting UK national standards, and we will continue to do that. By doing that, we can't guarantee, but we can work very hard to make sure that our children get the very best IGCSE results and then the very, very best A-level results, so they can go to the universities that you and all the other parents aspire for them to go to.